Hello student, this is Professor Gunwant. Today's lecture's topic is MSD generation. So what is MSD? MSD is nothing but magnetohydrodynamics. This name implies is concerned with the flow of conducting fluids in the presence of electric and magnetic field. This fluid may be gas at a elevated temperature or liquid like sodium or potassium. This MSD generator is a techniques where convert heat energy of fuel into useful electrical energy without any conventional electrical generator. This MSD generation is a very vast area of renewable energy generations at large scale production of electric power. This MSD generator is more advantageous over the turbo generator. In that particular case, there is a limiting temperature of turbine blade is up to 750 to 800 degrees centigrades. But in case of MSD generator, there is a vast potential in the modern furnace, and this temperature which is reaches up to 2500 Kelvin to 3000 Kelvin along with the preheating of air. This MSD generator which is working on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. This Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction state that whenever the conductor and electric or magnetic field moving relative to each other, the electric voltage induced into the conductor, and this conductor which is connected with the electric circuits. With this MSD generator, the MSD generator replaces the alternating windings or alternator windings with hot ionized gas. Whenever this hot ionized gas heated at a temperatures of very high temperatures, and then valence electron of the excited atom uh, which is transferred into the higher quantized orbits. Ultimately, at the certain energy level, there is a jumping of electrons, and that will convert it into a free electrons. For gas to be conducting, we must have to supply the ionized atom or ions along with the neutral atoms with these free electrons. Since we know that a very high temperature required to ionize the gas, that is called thermal ionization, which cannot fulfill by the available material, so that we are seeded with some alkali metals like cesium or potassium, that is KOH or K2CO3, having a low potential before enter into the MSD duct. An adequate electrical conductivity of order is approximately 10 ohms per meter can be realized within the range of uh, temperature is about 2 to 00 degrees centigrades to 2 to 2500 degrees centigrades. This is the simple view of MSD generator shown in figure. The duct through which electrically conducting ionized gas flows and has two sides, which is supporting a strong transverse magnetic field of 4 to 5 Tesla. 1 Tesla is equal to 10 raised to the power 4 gas. At right angle to this flow, and other sides forming a face of electrode which are joined through an electric circuit. As the hot ionized gas or plasma enter the MSD duct, due to the effect of strong magnetic field and consequent Lorentz force, there is a decrease in kinetic energy of plasma, and the electron and ion get deposited on opposite electrode. This power generations per unit length is approximately proportional to sigma into u into b square upon rho, where sigma is equal to electrical conductivity, U is equal to velocity of gas, B is equal to magnetic field strength, and rho is the density of gas. This is the simple schematic diagram with MHD. There are the four components. One is compressor, second one is heater, third one is MHD generator, and fourth is condenser. In this, the combustor is replaced as a MHD generator. Okay, this is working on the Breton cycles. This is temperature versus entropy plots of MHD plant as a cyclic heat engine. There are the four process. One is compression process, that is isentropic compression or actual compression. Then is heat addition in the heater. There is a electrical power generation in the MHD generator, that is expansion process, and last is the heat rejection in the condenser. So this is the Breton cycle of MHD plant. This is open cycle MHD generator. In this system, the fuel we are using as a coal and natural gas, which is burnt in the combustion chamber. The air is required for the combustions, which is supplied from the air preheater, and the hot ionized gas produced by the combustion chamber, and then seeded with a small amount of ionized alkali metal like calcium or potassium to increase the electrical conductivity of this gas. The ionization of the potassium, generally we are going to use potassium carbonates used as a seed material, and takes place due to the gas produces at a higher temperature, about 2300 Kelvin, 2300 degree centigrades to 2700 degree centigrades by combustion. This hot pressurized gases produces in the combustion chamber and passes through the convergent divergent nozzle. This gas coming out from at the nozzle with high velocity and enter into the MHD generator, and as we discussed earlier that how the functions of MHD generator and the electricity produces. The electricity which is in the form of direct current produces in this MHD generator, and by using the inverter we can transfer this direct current into alternating current. During the motion of the gas, the positive and negative ions moves toward the electrode and constitute an electrical direct current. The magnetic field is the direction in which, at the right angles to the fluid flow, would be perpendicular to the plane of paper. A number of oppositely located electrode pair are inserted in the MHD duct channel for generating an external load. The electrode pair may be connected in a various way. This is one of pair which are connected in this pattern. This arrangement is also useful for reducing of Hall effects current. This Hall effects current is nothing but the current induces due to the strong magnetic field which is in the direction of flow but not in the direction perpendicular to the flow. So that is current which is nothing but the Hall current, and we need to minimize this Hall current so that we are going to make connection like this for electric circuits. This is closed cycle MHD generator. In this system we are going to use a liquid metal, that is potassium is as a working fluid in this system. The liquid potassium after being heated into the reactor is passed through the nozzle where its velocity goes on increases, and the vapor forms due to the nozzle action are separated in the separator and condense, and then pump back to the reactor as shown in figure. Now then liquid metal is with high velocity is passing through this MHD generator to produce a direct electric current, and which is connected with this inverter, and this direct current which is transferred into the alternating current. After the MHD generator, this liquid potassium coming out from this MHD generator is passing through the heat exchanger, and uses heat for generation of the steam, and ultimately the steam turbine, which is run with the help of the steam and generate some electricity and then pump back to the reactor. In this way, this closed cycle, which is working closed cycles MSD generator is working like this. Now an closed cycle suggests this closed cycle due to the circulation of vacuum fluid in a continuous way or closed loop. This closed cycle MSD system may be either plasma converter or liquid metal converter. This liquid metal converter uses ionized gas like helium argon seeded with cesium, and liquid metal converts uses vapor of metal or the metal in the liquid form. And this liquid metal system has a basic advantages of high electrical conductivity, so the high temperature are not required in this system to achieve the high electrical conductivity. The system are normally designed to operate with the temperature of 1400 Kelvin, and this is much lower as compared to the plasma converter. In this way, this closed cycle MSD generator work.